Hey, this is Florin Lungu again with another daily thought. Today we have a quote by my mentor and associate, John C. Maxwell, and he says something like that. Character isn't created in a crisis. It only comes to light. It's only revealed there. So character is not created in a crisis. It only comes to light during a crisis. So what he says that we don't build character. We don't build, we don't become a great person. We don't become a great entrepreneur, when we have a crisis and we need to step up, when we have difficult times, right? We become a great person by the things that we do daily. So how can you build character? For me, character, it's something that you could build by, having a self-discipline where you know that there are some things that you need to improve every single day to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. So for me, for example, I know that every single day I should read something. I know that I should file codes. I know that I should listen to something that it's in the area that I want to develop that day. And I have a morning exercising routine that only takes 5 minutes, but I need to do it every single day for me to build that character, right? Because the way I do those things that I need to do daily, and I know I should be doing daily, the way I do them, it builds my character. And whenever a challenge comes, I don't have the time to prepare. I think about another quote that goes hand in hand with this one is when opportunity knocks at your door, it's too late to prepare. So whatever we're doing, if you're not happy with the way that you deal with a certain challenge, if you're not happy with the way that you react to a crisis or to a difficult situation, it's not the difficult situation that's the problem. It's what you've done before. It's the same with sales. Think about sales. Whenever I coach someone and they say, okay, my results in sales today are not where they should be, what should we do, Florin? And I ask them, what did you do 3 months ago? So, what do you mean? Today we have problems. Yeah, I know. But what did you do 3 months ago? Well, we've done this and that. Because the challenge is that we don't look in the right place. So if you don't have today the results that you want to have, look what you did 3 months ago. Because character builds daily, not in a day. The same with sales results. So if you haven't, put the effort that you should have put, 3 months ago to create the leads, to reach out to people, to marketing campaigns, everything that you needed for you to have, results today, it's not today, it's 3 months ago. The same with character. Character reveals itself in a crisis, in a difficult situation, but it's not built there. It's built on a daily basis. So the question that you want to ask yourself is, what it is that you're doing daily that helps you build character? For whenever the challenge comes, you don't have the time to do it there. Character is built daily, not in a day. And I hope this inspires you, and I hope it gives you some ideas, and hopefully you would take some habits that you would want to implement in your life that will help you build character. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this message, share it, comment below, tag someone that you want to hear this message, to see this message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Speak soon. Bye-bye.